Gemini's lit acrylic signs are premium, low-profile letters and logos made from UV-stable acrylic and embedded with energy-efficient LEDs to illuminate the face, side, and/or back of the sign. Our lit acrylic signs cast a mesmerizing glow of refined elegance. Achieve intricate logo designs and taglines that shimmer with subtle brilliance. Perfect for large-scale installations that captivate without overwhelming, elevating any space indoor or out. Craft a masterpiece with sophisticated face finishes like sleek metal, translucent vinyl, and painted hues. Achieve elegant sign and letter designs with lit letters as small as 4 inches tall and strokes as narrow as half an inch. Gemini's lit acrylic signs can combine the captivating glow of face lighting with the bold aura of side lighting to create a truly multi-dimensional experience. Select the curated LED color that best enhances your brand: white, warm white, or red. These UL-certified LED lights and power supplies come with a 10-year warranty on electrical components to give you peace of mind, and also use 8 to 10 times less energy than neon. Our lit acrylic signs can be painted with one of our curated color options or matched to your brand's precise colors. You can even add translucent vinyl overlays to showcase vibrant colors, illuminated from within. Gemini's lit acrylic signs feature a specially designed removable back and detachable mounting studs that allows for easy cleaning and quick replacement of LEDs. Every Gemini lit acrylic sign is proudly made in North America for quick production and delivery and backed by Gemini's industry-leading lifetime guarantee. Elevate your portfolio and boost client loyalty with the pinnacle of illuminated signage. Visit our website to learn more and see if our premium lit acrylic signs are the right choice for your next project.